How to detect a faulty signal light. If you realize your light is blinking too fast when you turn on the signal light, that means one of your lights is out. So you can see here the right signal light is blinking at normal pace, but when you turn back to the left signal, it's blinking too fast. The next thing is to turn on the hazard light so we can check on all the signal lights. Now we see that these ones are working. Go around, this one is also working. This one is working also. But when you look at this, you see that left signal light is not working. So that's where we have the problem. To change this, first we want to do is unscrew the nuts holding the cover, and after that pull out the pins using a clip removal tool. This gives us access to the light compartment. So move the cover out of the way. The next thing is to unscrew all the 3 nuts holding the taillight assembly. Once that is done, you can pull out the taillight assembly to gain access to the lamp. Twist socket counterclockwise to get the lamp out. Pull out the burnt lamp and replace it with a new one. Make sure you check the spec for your car to know the right lamp to buy. Now just push the new lamp in till you hear a click. Now we'll test it out to make sure it's working. Now you can see the blinker is on. So install and twist clockwise to lock it. Show it again. Install and twist clockwise to lock it. Install the taillight assembly. Install and tighten all the taillight assembly nuts. There's 3 of them. Make sure you install all 3. Once that is done, put back the cover and align it. Install the cover nuts and pins. Now the signal light replacement is complete. Thank you.